Morning guys, and welcome to your Tuesday motivation video. Today's message is all about belief. Now, I started the week off with talking about you need to be working harder, but there's working harder and then there's working smarter. Now for me, belief is all about really supercharging whatever it is that you're working hard to achieve by believing that you can absolutely get there if you put in the right action. And belief often starts from within for a lot of us. I think that if we do not within ourselves believe that we can achieve something rather than waiting for validation from other people, it's where it all crumbles and falls apart. I send this message to you today if you feel like you need it. If you feel like you have lost belief in your abilities, in what you can achieve and what you can accomplish and who you are as a person, I urge you to wake up and step out of that. You need to believe that you are exactly the person that can do whatever it is you are striving to do. You need to believe and feel it within yourself that whatever you want and whatever you desire and truly deserve is coming to you, and that you are just the person to receive it, and this is just the time for you to receive it. I can't tell you how many countless times I have had to snap myself out of a disbelief in myself, honestly. I think sometimes it comes from a lack of self-confidence, a lack of self-esteem. It all starts in here and it manifests itself into other areas of our life. So how to believe in yourself more? Sometimes you just got to fake it till you make it. Affirmations are always a great way to start to speak these things into reality. So if you have to tell yourself something every morning, even though you don't believe it, at some point in time, after consistent practice of that thing is going to become a reality for you. That is going to be something that you truly believe deep down within yourself. I believe in you. I believe in us. Why would we not start out the year with an undeniable sense of belief? Don't forget to subscribe and share this video with all your friends and family on your Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. All my social channels are linked down below, and I will see you in tomorrow's motivational message. Bye.